Grundig Sono Clock 650. So usually I don't make videos like this because it's an alarm clock, but this is a cool alarm clock. So this is a model from 1978, so it's even older than me. Functions: clock, alarm, and radio. You have a beautiful little display with the brightness settings here. You can switch it to show date or to toggle between time and date. It's gonna do it now. This is the setting for alarm clock, and over here you're selecting. So right now it's just the clock, radio is off. And this turns on the alarm, and this turns on the radio. This is the volume knob. This is the balance knob. Okay, this doesn't make too much sense because it's just one speaker, so it's not really stereo. The best part are these buttons for the radio presets. So they're touch sensitive. Plop, plop, plop. 1978. And how do you set each station? There's a little door here. These are all the presets that you can set, and here is a little screwdriver which you use to set each station. So let's select 6. This is number 6. That's it. That's how you set it. Place it back in. That's it. This is the snooze button. 1978. And look at this baby. I mean, it's gorgeous. I got it off of eBay for 30 euros. Volume was extremely low. It turned out that just one capacitor died. I replaced that and it works perfectly, and it's beautiful. Ta-da!